Hello friends, in last lecture we discussed about uh, working of 4-stroke petrol engine. There are 4-stroke in a petrol engine. The charge that is mixture of air fuel from the carburetor in the combustion chamber. Then this mixture comes under a suction stroke, right? That means piston moves from TDC to BDC. Suction takes place. At this time inlet valve is open, then second stroke is compression, then expansion and exhaust, right? In this spark plug, that is external agency to ignite the fuel is used, right? Next we have to discuss working of 4-stroke diesel engine. In this there are same 4-stroke, that is suction, compression, expansion and exhaust, but at the combustion chamber in the combustion chamber, at the time of suction, air enters in the combustion chamber, right? After this, while compression at the end of compression, the fuel is injected on that compressed air, right? So here instead of spark plug, fuel injector is used. So I will draw the diagram for each stroke, very simple diagram. You have to draw this in examination, right? This is initial position of the piston, this is final position, this is your TDC, this is BDC. What is TDC, BDC? Top dead center, bottom dead center. This is inlet valve, this is exhaust valve, and this is fuel injector FI. In the petrol engine, this is spark plug, but in this is fuel injector. Second stroke, this is compression stroke, initial position, and this is final position. This is fuel inlet valve, this is exhaust valve, and this is fuel injector, right? This is suction stroke, first stroke is suction. These 4 strokes are completed in a 2 revolution of a crankshaft, right? This is compression stroke. Next we have to draw the diagram for this is initial position, this is final position, inlet valve, this is exhaust valve, this is fuel injector FI, this is FI. This is your expansion or power stroke, it is also called as power stroke, and last one is exhaust stroke. This is exhaust valve, this is inlet valve, right? This is exhaust stroke, right? This is TDC, BDC, same as for all the strokes, right? In the suction stroke, first in the suction stroke, piston moves from TDC to BDC. Piston moves from TDC to BDC. This is direction for the movement of piston. At this time, inlet valve opens and air enters in this cylinder from the air filters, right? Air enters in this cylinder. Here is air. In the petrol engine there is a charge, mixture of air fuel, but in the diesel engine only air enters in the cylinder, right? Next, piston moves from BDC to TDC. This is your compression stroke, right? Piston moves from BDC to TDC and it compresses the air, and due to this compression, temperature of air increases, and at this time fuel injector inject. At the end of this compression stroke, fuel injector inject fuel on the compressed air, that is heated air, and explosion takes place. Next, due to this explosion, at this time inlet valve and exhaust valve both are closed. Due to this explosion, expansion of takes place. Expansion takes place. In this is the direction for this piston movement. This is TDC, this is BDC. This is direction for this expansion stroke. In this, due to this explosion, power generate takes place, right? And due to this power, piston moves from TDC to BDC, right? So this is the movement of the piston. Next, in the exhaust stroke, this is last stroke for this cycle. In this, what happened? The fuel burned gases are present in the combustion chamber. We have to remove these burned gases. So this is BDC, this is TDC. Piston moves from BDC to TDC. Piston moves from BDC to TDC. At this time, exhaust valve is open and the burned gases will get removed through this exhaust valve, right? This is all about the 4-stroke diesel engine, right? When you draw this type of diagram, the examiner will get understand what happened actually in a 4-stroke diesel engine. There is no need more explanation as like your books, right? So only you have to write. I will write for 1 stroke here, that is suction stroke. Very simple. You have to remember this suction stroke. In this piston moves from TDC to BDC, right? Inlet valve opens and exhaust valve is closed during this stroke, right? Air enters in the cylinder or combustion chamber during this is stroke, right? You have to write 2-3 sentences on each stroke. This question will ask for 7 marks or 5 marks. Very simple question, right? One of these, that is working of 4-stroke diesel engine or working of petrol engine. One of these question will ask in your examination. This is very important question. Or difference between 4-stroke diesel engine and 4-stroke petrol engine is used. Always remember that in a combustion chamber, from the inlet valve in the petrol engine, there is a charge enters, that is mixture of air fuel, and in the diesel engine, only air enters in the combustion chamber, right? There is no need to draw the PV diagram, or you can also draw the PV diagram for this 4-stroke and 4-stroke diesel engine and 4-stroke petrol engine. After this, we will going to discuss working of 2-stroke petrol engine. You have to draw the diagram also. This is very simple, 2-stroke petrol engine. Then we will discuss refrigerator, then air condition and cooler. Then we finish this chapter. If you have any doubt, please ask me on my phone number. So thank you very much. We will discuss tomorrow remaining portion of this chapter. Please review my lectures. If you have any doubt, please ask me on phone call. Thank you.